As iPhones fill up with junk, cache files, and duplicate photos, performance slows down and storage runs low. Choosing the right iPhone cleaner app can help. In this video, we'll review 9 of the best cleaning apps to help you keep your device running smoothly. 1. Coolmuster iOS Cleaner. Coolmuster iOS Cleaner is a powerful tool designed to clean iOS devices by scanning and categorizing junk files like caches, app data, and crash logs. It allows you to preview and remove unwanted files safely, freeing up space without risking data loss. Fully compatible with iOS 16 and iPhone 17, it works securely without requiring a jailbreak. Pros: simple interface, deep system scan, clears cache, app leftovers, and crash logs, boosts storage. Cons: requires desktop software and a computer connection. 2. Clever Cleaner. Clever Cleaner uses AI to automatically find and remove duplicate photos, screenshots, and large videos, freeing up storage space. It's completely free, with no ads or in-app purchases, unlike many other apps. Pros: precise algorithms, free, vibrant design, no ads or FEs, simple bulk deletion, shows space freed. Cons: doesn't remove app caches, contacts, or system junk. 3. Cleanup. Phone Storage Cleaner. Cleanup. Phone Storage Cleaner is an iPhone app with 200,000 plus ratings, focusing on cleaning photos, videos, and contacts. It removes duplicate photos, merges contacts, and tidies up mailboxes. Bonus features include custom widgets and unique charging animations for your lock screen. Pros: recommends photos to keep, no internet needed, tracks storage, clean design, free trial, fun bonus features. Cons: not completely free, limited storage clearing features. 4. Cleanup Storage Cleaner Kit. Cleanup Storage Cleaner Kit is a popular iPhone cleaning app that helps remove clutter from photos, videos, emails, contacts, and calendars, offering powerful features for efficient storage management. Pros: deletes similar photos, videos, contacts, removes old calendar events, compresses videos, hides files, adds widgets. Cons: not completely free, may merge contacts incorrectly, higher subscription price. 5. Easy Cleaner. Easy Cleaner is a free iPhone app that scans and removes duplicate contacts, freeing up storage space. It also helps organize contacts by categorizing them with labels for easier management. Pros: user-friendly, removes duplicate contacts, simplifies navigation, saves time, supports 15 languages. Cons: cleaning features limited to contacts only. 6. Boost Cleaner. Boost Cleaner is an iPhone storage cleaner that helps find and delete duplicates, merge contacts, and clean up storage. It also features a secret album for private photos and a private browser for enhanced privacy. Pros: free trial, general storage, cleaning, additional useful features. Cons: subscription-based payment model. 7. Coolmuster. Coolmuster is a free iPhone cleaner that removes duplicate photos, screenshots, and large videos with a single tap, making it an efficient tool for automatic storage cleaning. Pros: automates photo or video cleanup, manages large media files, unique location-based cleanup. Cons: basic interface, more ads, may miss similar images. 8. Phone Cleaner Clean Storage. Phone Cleaner Clean Storage is an AI-powered iPhone cleaner that removes duplicate photos, cleans up videos, merges contacts, and frees up storage. It also offers tools for managing and deleting incomplete or duplicate contacts. Pros: clean interface, automatic cleanup, solid features, lifetime subscription option. Cons: not fully free, slow scan times, aggressive ads. 9. Cleaner Pro. Cleaner Pro is an easy-to-use iPhone cleaner that removes duplicate photos, bad shots, and old videos, while compressing videos to save space. It also offers features like hiding private photos, merging duplicate contacts, and deleting unwanted numbers, helping to free up storage and boost performance. Pros: great at merging contacts and removing duplicates, detects similar photos, simple interface, small app size. Cons: poor customer support, frequent prompts to delete duplicate records.